It says an exponential function f passes through the points -2, -4, and 1, 10. Which 2 points lie on the graph of g of x if g of x is 3 times f of x? This is a lot easier than you think. Think of this as x, comma, f of x. Now, if that's the case, then for g of x, if we're talking about g of x, then our coordinates would be the same x value, but they would be 3 times whatever f of x is. So what does that mean? Well, this coordinate here would become -2, comma, what's 3 times -4? So you would say 3 times -4. And then you would also have, then you'd also have 1, comma, 3 times 10. So this is -2, comma, -12. And this would be 1, comma, 30. And so that would be the answer. Okay.